Hey everyone, and welcome to week 4 of online AP Stats. This week we don't have any pressing Chapter 2 deadlines. Let's actually first talk about that. The first deadline for Chapter 2, if I look at the calendar, is nothing this week, but you are going to have one. It's going to be Monday the 29th. So do keep that in mind. And this is a short chapter, so you're going to notice there's actually your next test is going to be, and it's scheduled for Thursday right now. I'm probably going to end up moving that over to Friday for your assessment on that one. So keep that in mind. I will communicate later if it officially moves to Friday, but I'm about 70% going to move that to Friday to give you guys a little additional wiggle room on Chapter 2. Again, I will communicate that later on in this week if it stays for Thursday or if it gets moved to Friday. So keep in mind for Chapter 2, the one thing you're going to notice if you haven't started it yet, it's very much more computational than Chapter 1 was, and it's using, starting to use your calculator and using this standard normal table. I will encourage you to maybe, if I talk about the calculator speak and how to do this stuff in the calculator in the notes, it's very beneficial to understand how the calculator works. It's nice to use the calculator. I prefer the calculator over the tables, but I do like to also show you how the tables work. So let me know if you have questions on any of the material in Chapter 2. It does tend to cause a few more questions for some students, just basic in the understanding of how it works, but just track me down or shoot me an email on that. The other thing I want to talk about is a retake on Chapter 1. So if you're interested in retaking Chapter 1, here's how this is going to work. If we look at our calendar, again, this is our week here. So we have our win sessions. Your test was made up of multiple choice and free response, and that's how your actual exam is going to be. It's 50% multiple choice and 50% free response. So all your summative assessments work that same way. If you're interested in retaking, you can retake to only earn up to 85% of the final grade for this test. So if you want to do the multiple choice, I will let you just do multiple choice and I will let you just do free response. If you're interested in doing both, you're going to have to pace it out more. So you have 2 times to be able to do your retakes. It's going to be during your win sessions. So if you wanted to redo your multiple choice, you could come in on your Tuesday's win session and do your multiple choice. If you wanted to wait until Thursday to do that multiple choice, that's fine. If you wanted to do just the free response, again, you have the option of either doing Tuesday or Thursday for that. So if you want to do both, you really don't have much of a choice. What you are going to have to do is you're going to have to pace it out and do one of your retakes on Tuesday and then the other one on Thursday. If you want to come and look at your exam, which I highly encourage you to do that. So you're interested in retaking or you just want to see how you did on the exam, come and see me. I'm in my room. In the mornings is the best time to probably catch me. But if you come and want to look at your exams, look at your exam and see what you missed. What are the concepts you need to do? There is some relearning I do require for you to do. If you're interested again in the retake, come and talk to me and I will show you the relearning task that you have to do because I want you to do some more practice to feel comfortable with the content. Keep in mind, if you do get a lower score, that is going to be your new score for the retake. So let me know if you, again, have questions on that retake process. It might be easier just to come and see me again personally. I'm here at 7:15 in the morning. Class doesn't start until 8:20. That's a lot of wiggle room for you to come in and see me on that one. Other than that, I'm in the Commons during 3rd and 4th hour. That's also a really great time to catch me. Or 5th hour, I have a study hall in the little theater. That's also a nice time. Other than that, let me know what you need this week, and I will see you all for sure in 2 weeks as we do take that second summative assessment already. So have a good week 4. Talk to you soon.